Now the sun went away. Hey there, welcome back to another Maintenance Monday. And who expected all this snow on November 11th? Happy Veterans Day to all you veterans, by the way. Hey, I wanted to talk to you real timely today. You know, we just got done removing some snow here. We got some spots that, didn't clear off real well, okay? I know a lot of you are wanting to go ahead and put salt down. Don't do it, okay? Rock salt is very corrosive to concrete. Rock salt, very corrosive. It's gonna get into the concrete. We have air entrained concrete, so it actually absorbs moisture, okay? If we're absorbing calcium, sodium chloride into the concrete, it's gonna be very corrosive. And what's that gonna do? Well, what's gonna happen is the top layer of concrete is gonna chip apart, okay? It's gonna basically fall apart. You don't want that to happen, okay? New concrete, anything within a year, it's still in a state of curing, okay? And if you're adding chemicals to this, you're going to really hurt the process. It's going to destroy your driveway, okay? So what I'm going to recommend, instead of putting salt down, is let's just get some kitty litter, let's get some sand down, and at least you're going to have a little bit of traction on that, okay? Again, don't use rock salt. And again, happy Veterans Day to all you. Thank you for your support, your service, and we're going to see you next Monday for another Maintenance Monday. Thank you.